This is our first look at the Parkside Bit Sets for drills. There's only one missing, and it just had regular bits, and I got so many of those, and it's not impact rated that I thought it was actually a waste of money. But these, on the other hand, at $5.99 a piece, I thought were pretty good. So for £6 a piece, let's have a look and see what we get. So this first one, the red one, as you can see, rubberized edges on both sides, which is great. Doesn't close all the way, which is really annoying. I'll have to go through and modify it, but it's so annoying. Now, to be fair, it's less likely to slip than the Wix was, but it's still likely to slip. So this first one, we have wood drill bits. This is a 15-piece wood drill bit set that covers three threes, two 3.5s, two fours, a 4.5, 5, 5.5, 6, 6.5, 7, 8, and 10. And these, honestly, the 10's a little bit of a pain in the butt to get out, but you can do it. So, but I'm gonna get out this 7 here. They have a tip to help get it through your material. Honestly, these tips help a lot. Don't underestimate them. They feel okay, but are a little bit hard to tell. They're a little sticky, but not as sticky as other ones I've seen. And I'm sure we'll do the job just fine. And oh, ouch, that hurt. The end's definitely sharp, but for $5.99, I thought that was pretty good. And I have some wooden bits, but I didn't have a lot, so I figured that would be a good buy. So this next one, I think I remember what these ones are. Yeah, it's the steel bit set. This is also 15 pieces, and the sizes include two 1.5s, two twos, two 2.5s, a 3, a 3.2, a 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5, 6, 8, and 10. And of course, these are made for metal, and these are stickier than the other ones. And generally sticky's a good thing ish. It depends, but don't judge base it purely on that. Um, just means that they covered it in oil and stuff so it doesn't rust in the case. The ends aren't tipped, um, which kind of sucks a little bit, but it's kind of like iffy on whether that really helps you get through metal or not. I would prefer a tip, but it's okay if they don't. Usually, ones with tips are more expensive. So, for a 15-piece kit that goes through steel for £6, I thought, you know what, that's gonna be good. You never know when you're gonna go through metal or when you need a bit, for other things. And then the last one is for masonry. So this is another 15-bit set. And masonry bits are a lot harder to judge than other bits. Honestly, I don't think these are going to be all that good. But again, it's really hard to tell for masonry bits. I've seen some expensive ones that feel not like super expensive, but I've seen more expensive ones look and feel exactly the same as these. So take that as you will. The sizes include three threes, three fours, two fives. Oh, no, excuse me. That's three fives, three sixes, an eight, and two tens. No, that's not three sixes. It's two sixes, two eights, and two tens. Sorry, it's kind of hard to read in the glare. Which I think is pretty good coverage. Honestly, masonry bits I'm not going to be using all that often. I do have a hammer drill, and they can be useful for drywall, but honestly, either of the other two can be useful for drywall as well. And I'm not really going to be drilling through all that much brick or concrete right now, but if I need to, I've got it. And for £6 for that and a pretty good case, and £18 for all of it, I thought it was pretty fair. But throw in the bits and the regular bits that aren't impact rated, I think that would have thrown it over a little bit. You go for impact bits if you already have normal bits. Um, it's a little bit more expensive, but it's worth it in the end. But these are going to be interesting, and I'll show you what I did to modify the other one, but these are going to be easier to modify because of a tool I had bought after I modified the one in Wix. So we'll get to that.